Hi guys, if you want to see how I made this decoration, then please stay tuned to my first DIY that I think I've ever done on my channel. I hope you enjoy it and let me know if you want to see more of these DIYs. I've had a few requests. For this DIY, you are going to need some of these stones. From the Dollar Tree. You're going to need this. I think it's called an oval dish or planter. You're going to need some vase filler. And you're going to need some of this moss decoration. And this is 2 packs of that. Now the vase filler is not from the Dollar Tree. I got this from Family Dollar. I do think that some people have been finding something similar to this at the Dollar Tree though. You're going to need some scissors so that we can cut this open and pour the rocks in the bottom. And there's a stick in this one. Maybe I'll leave it in there. Maybe you could get by with just one. I'm going to put that stick back in there because this is kind of like earthy. And there's other little sticks in there too. Which I didn't know that it had sticks. You can get the sticks. Okay. For let's make sure these are flat. For these two, we're gonna just mix them together kind of. Maybe we can like take some of this, like some of the extra things, we can take them out because it looks like this is going to be kind of full. So these look like nuts, right? Alright. And then let's put some of our moss decorations in here. Maybe we can use all of these. Now, maybe we do need that other ones because this is not... Okay. I think we're going to use all of these. And hopefully... So that is what it looks like at the end. And if you want to make this if you want to do this on a smaller scale, you can get just the flat planter, 1 bag of rocks, 1 bag of these moss decorations, that's what they're called. Or maybe you can use like half of a bag of this vase filler. The vase filler, if you get the same one that I got from Family Dollar. But that is the DIY. I think this is like the first time I've ever done a DIY. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.